Nobody works as hard as Americans wanting to break out of their socioeconomic status. It's 3:30. I'm teaching a class in which almost everyone is in Central Time Zone, and I am 10 hours ahead. To teach a 6 p.m. class, I have to teach it at 4 a.m. here. But hey, that's why coffee exists. Teaching outside the US isn't that hard. It's just the time zone can be a problem, but the bigger problem is the motivation. I feel being in the US, being in Austin, the energy, the hustle and bustle, the environment in which people want to get things done, I miss that. Not that people don't want to get things done here, but not as much. Nobody works as hard as Americans wanting to break out of their socioeconomic status. That should be a book. 5:45 a.m. The class is over. Apparently this is doable. Running an online business from afar for a bit, at least. I miss the US. I love being home, but I miss the hustle and bustle and the grind and just that go get it mentality. Time to go work out or have coffee or sleep. I don't know yet.